So in the zombie apocalypse, I'm trying to survive, and I found the can, like, you know, with meat, and I'm really starving, and I have nothing to open with, no tools whatsoever, but I have a lot of concrete. You know, you can find concrete anywhere on a street, right? How do you open a can using concrete? Very simply. Just put this part, not the bottom, but the top, on top of a concrete, and rub it. So once you scraped a lot, all you gotta do is squeeze it. And you opened it. Alright, and here's the second one. You see how all the edges are coming out now? And you squeeze it a little bit. Remember, you cannot use any knives. You see how it's popping out? Boom! And guess what? Cat gonna survive too.
Alright, you guys ready? Just squeeze a little bit.
It's not ready yet. Here you go.
And now you can survive.
That's pretty much it. Let us know what you think, comments below. Subscribe to Alec, his channel name KGB Survivalist. It's gonna be awesome stuff. I'm gonna be in his videos all the time. And we're creating this channel because he has so much tools and so much potential that I will not be able to do it by myself. So he'll be like my right hand. Well, he's left-handed, so left hand, whatever. But no, it's not like that. He's just my friend, and he'll be helping me out a lot, and I will be helping him out a lot. And just two heads are better than one, right? That's what we say in Russia, I think.
We have way more interesting videos upcoming.
Yep.
You guys stay tuned and prepare to watch.
Subscribe.